I just discovered this really simple, easy, and delicious 3-ingredient breakfast meal, or maybe even a snack or dessert, and I wanted to share it. I saw it on TikTok. I'm not sure who the original creator was, but if I find them, I will tag them. But they made this cheese Danish, and they put it in the shape of a candy cane, and I had made it for the first time on Christmas, and it was so easy. It took no time at all pretty much to make, and we loved it, and I'm gonna make it today too, so I figured I'd share it and show you guys how easy it is. So all you need is 3 ingredients. You need crescent rolls, some kind of jelly or jam, whatever you want. I just got this cheap fruit spread, and then cream cheese. You can use any cream cheese you want. I think the girl in the video used like a cheesecake filling from like Philadelphia or whatever, but I just got this and I really liked it. But you could use regular or the cheesecake if you wanted. So all you have to do is lay out your crescent rolls like this. If you had more crescent rolls, you could lay them, overlap them like farther, but I only had 8, so I'm just doing this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spread some of the cream cheese and then the fruit spread on top, and then I'll show you what we have to do next. So that is about how much cream cheese I used. You can use as little or as much as you want to. And now I'm going to put some of the fruit spread on top. Okay, now that you have your fruit on here, you just go like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it depends on how, perfect you want it to be. But you just do this all the way down, and then the girl whose video I saw to make it a candy cane, she just took this part and moved it to the side, and it made the cutest candy cane. We loved it so much. I will definitely be making that a Christmas morning tradition, so I loved it. But I had the same ingredients left over, so I wanted to make another one. And then I just I put my oven at 350. It's almost preheated, and I left it in for about, I think, like 12 minutes or so. But I'm not sure what her recipe originally said. I just kind of kept an eye on it, and it turned out perfect. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So this is what it looks like baking at 350 for about 12 minutes, and I'm going to let it cool down so it can kind of set up a little bit, and then we will make our cuts in between the lines. You could cut it however you want, but when it sets up a little bit, it makes it so that the jelly and the cream cheese don't melt out, and it's easier to eat. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is what they look like when you let them cool down a little bit and cut them. They're perfect little squares. They're so good, and they are even toddler approved.